What's up, you guys? We're gonna try this again. I filmed this already and my volume was off. So there's that. So we're gonna redo this. You're gonna notice that some of these things are already swatched, and it's because my volume wasn't working and then I had to run to Target because I'm out of batteries, and the cycle just continues today. So let's go ahead and get into this. Today's video is all about our IPSY for September, and we are doing our IPSY Glam Bag and our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I think you're gonna like what's inside this bag. As always, I will have a link in the description box for you guys, and also timestamps in case you guys are wanting to check one before the other or just watch the whole thing and hang out with me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and let's get into this. We are beginning with the very first bag, and you guys let me know about the bag. What are your thoughts? I personally, not my style, but what I can appreciate is the cute little tassel here. Look at how cute this tassel is. It's fun. We're gonna start with the very first thing, which is by Origins. This is the Origins Ginseng Energizing Gel Cream. I have used the full-size version of this. I really do like it. There are a couple of things that I've tried from Origins through our subscription boxes, and I have been very pleased with them. So this I know for sure is one of them. I haven't repurchased it since I got like the full-size version, but I do remember having a very positive experience with it. The second thing I have here is by A Beauty for Real. So I thought when I originally opened this that this was a lip gloss. It's not. This is a cream shadow. It is this metallic pink cream shadow, which I actually think would be really pretty on the lid as like a all over lid color with a little bit of sparkle. I thought that was really pretty. And this is in the shade Twilight. There is one other thing, and I'm gonna grab it first because I actually want some on my lips because I did apply it. And this is by Shayna B. This is her lip gloss in the shade Besitos, and I really liked, I gotta find a mirror, but I really liked the way it applied. Like, it was really creamy, and it's just a baby pink formula. I just have a lip liner over my lip right now. I left my lipstick in the car, so I knew I was gonna have to refilm this, so I was like, oh, I'll just put some lip gloss on when I get to that point. Let me do a swatch for you. I really liked the way it felt. I actually wore it on my way to Target and back, and it held up really nicely. I know sometimes I feel like I over apply, and when that happens, like as I'm getting through my day, I can feel it like going down, and this one doesn't. So it's here, right here. It's like this baby, very soft baby pink color. You can go like this and it doesn't like, you know, stick together. It's a very nice formula. I also do have by High Performance Hair Care number 4. I haven't heard of this brand, but this is a Prep and Protect, Super Comb Prep and Protect, which is essentially just a leave-in conditioner. I actually was already in the market to get a leave-in conditioner. I was planning to go to Ulta today. Plans reversed, I'll probably have to go tomorrow. But I needed to get a leave-in conditioner for my daughter and my hair. I just noticed that the current products I'm using right now I'm not very happy with, so I want to go get a new leave-in conditioner, and I have to pick up some more hair stuff. I'm like wanting to like maintain and take care of my hair, and I also need to get a hair mask. And then the last thing I have in our glam bag is the Toy Factory. This is the brown gel eyeliner. This is called Doll Paint. This is actually the only thing I did not open, and I'm already tempted to. So we're gonna open it together and see what it is. Ooh, this is creamy, very creamy. I'm like, I might try this for tomorrow. We're moving into the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It's right here. Let's go ahead and get diving into it. The very first thing I had was the Phase Zero. This is an eyeshadow palette. It comes with 4 shades. Very easy shadow combinations right here and right here, either or. So I think it makes it really nice and simple. We also do have another product from Origins. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. This one here, I was trying to figure out what exactly it is. Like, it sounds like you would use it in place of a toner. It's supposed to hydrate, soothe, and renew the look of skin. And then we have another product, which is a skincare item. And this here is by Aceology. This is the green tea mask. Clean out all those pores. I did come into this, which is the Defiance Beauty. This I thought was a lip gloss, but it's actually a liquid lipstick. It's a beautiful shade, by the way. This is in the shade Iconic. I felt like when it dries down, it doesn't dry down to like a true liquid lipstick, almost like a demi. The color's right up my alley. The last thing I got, which is one of the most exciting things, well, I shouldn't say that because I really am excited about some of the other products too, but this one here is the Man Eater. This is the Man Eater mascara by Tarte, and this is their waterproof version. I'm all about using a waterproof mascara to keep my lashes curled. Today I did not have one. I just used a regular mascara, and this one is great because it's really good for like lengthening and separating. Like it makes your lashes look so long. Those are the products that I received inside both my boxes. You guys let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think? What do you think of the new merger? Do you think the products are aligned? Do you think they're better? For my last month's boxes, I didn't get the opportunity to film for you guys, unfortunately. Then the previous month, instead of doing a YouTube video, I actually tried a YouTube short, which, I mean, I don't know. I was just trying to play around and see what would be easier, what you guys might like. Although this month, I wanted to do it as a YouTube video again. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I did just recently post 2 videos all about new makeup and the new makeup that I've received and tried out. So make sure to check those out if you guys have some time. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.